learner support seminar, and then you have teachers, educators, principals, colleges, universities everywhere coming together to learn the 19 tools for life so that they can apply them in the classroom.
Wow. Today it was just one of those amazing days because within the space of the few hours that I've been here, I've learned a lot, especially when it comes to what is it that now I can do to help our students at my workplace so that they must improve when it comes to their development and how to learn in the class.
Mind-blowing. Jeez. We need to really start thinking about the students because no student is stupid or dumb. We just need tools, the right tools to teach them.
I think today's workshop was very helpful and one should take it very much serious. The college is based in a historically disadvantaged place. So what we should do is to view education differently, and this workshop actually motivate us.
The tool that I've learned today that I saw is most relevant is when it comes to the barriers of learning, whereby what is it that makes a person to give up when it comes to learning or to give up when it comes to you are studying.
Look, you never think of those barriers. Like just one word that can cancel your whole program. Yes, it is amazing, and I will make a plan definitely, especially with our kids that we have, that they will have a dictionary with them, because that one word can make the difference at the end of the day for them to either want to or drop out.
These are not just tools that will change an individual. These are tools that will change the way we look at things, even in our household, the way we look at things in our community, the way we look at things at school. This is the new way of learning.
What we're learning about here is not just to understand barriers, but is to how to also prevent this kind of barriers. Yes.
The tools of life are there to equip us to know that it's not about you being given something, it's all about you standing up and doing something and thinking out of the box.
It is absolutely a necessity for each educator, as well as parents, because a lot of our parents that's like me feel lost. And the answer is clear. I'm talking out of my own experience. My son has got all these medicines and ADHD and dyspraxia, and people tell us he won't be able to read, write. And with this program, it definitely gives us hope as parents as well as educators. There's a light at the end of the tunnel.